It's in the game.
Up next, it's a bantamweight clash between Bruce Lee and Eddie Weinland. All right, well, I'm excited for this one. This is a kickboxer of the highest order. He has so many different kicks and punches in his arsenal and figures to try to keep this on the feet here tonight.
The beautiful thing that he does is throws that front push kick to create distance when a guy starts to get too close and wants to wrestle with him. He throws it, and the moment you're back at his range, he starts to blast high kick. He doesn't always intend on landing him, but he beats up your arms with high kick after high kick after high kick. And as you get desperate, you start to run into knees, and he does not need much space to land a knockout punch. This guy is one of the best strikers we've ever seen in the UFC.
And if you don't find the striking range early against this guy, you could be in real trouble. Well, you can argue this is the most influential martial artist of all time, the great Bruce Lee, making his walk to the octagon here tonight, champ.
Everybody wants to be Bruce Lee. They say they want to be like Mike. If you're a fighter, you want it to be like Bruce Lee. You want it to be that fast. You want it to be that charismatic. You want it to have an ability to just freeze your opponents. Your speed, your movement, just the diversity in the attacks that you can give your opponents would just confuse people. I mean, I watched him beat a 7-foot Kareem Abdul-Jabbar to stay undefeated.
Right.
If you can do that, you can do anything.
I fear not the man who has practiced 10,000 kicks once. I fear the man who has practiced one kick 10,000 times.
You ready?
All right, so lofty expectations for this matchup as round one gets underway. Seems to be a striking advantage on one side, but on the other, truly a fighter who can do it all.
And that guy will usually have...
Big knee! Well, he's up, but he is hurting for certain. The finish could come at any time. Oh, collar tie. Oh, these are some devastating knees, as we might say in Boston, some wicked, effective knees.
I love when you talk like that.
I know you
I think it's so good. But there's a guy, I love the way you talk, but I love the way this guy fights, and he's throwing those knees in order to shut the lights off of his opponent.
Just out of range with that right hook. Got the single collar tie. And they settle it. Splits the guard, lands the right hand. Wow, huge head kick. And he comes through with a big knee.
That knee hurt him. Oh, he just hurt him, he just hurt him.
And now his opponent in a world of trouble.
Such a sneaky head kick. He did not recognize it. It's coming high, and now he's got hurt bad. Look at the whip action that comes from him throwing that kick. That one landed clean.
Oh, huge right hand. Oh, he's back up again. You gotta like that. And both guys really throwing with him. Whoa!
Right under the elbow. Body keep landing.
Continues with the leg kick.
He's limping now.
Oh, nice job working hard, posting and getting back up. Well, the leg kicks have been a big storyline in this one. There's another one, so he continues to slow his opponent down. And nice poker face on the other side. I'm not sure how.
He won't be able to take many more. Think about Edson Barboza.
Oh! And just like that, the fight is over.
Whoa!
Yeah, that right there is a high-level knockout, ladies and gentlemen. Crowd absolutely loving it. Just a perfect shot to end the fight. Landed flush. I'm not even sure his opponent saw it coming. So a huge, huge win for that young. Now we go inside the octagon. Bruce Buffer with the official decision.
Ladies and gentlemen, referee Eve Levine has called a stop to this contest at 4 minutes, 19 seconds of the very first round. Declaring the winner by knockout, Bruce the Dragon.